Hey, I just want to do a quick update on my truck. It's a 2001 Chevy Silverado with custom turbo kit. I was going to list off some of the stuff I did to the engine. I'm pretty sure I'm going to forget something. But anyways, it has a Trailblazer SS intake. It has a fuel gauge. The throttle body is a 91 millimeter, I believe. It has Pac 1218 springs. It has gapped rings. For the injectors, they're just decapped truck injectors flowing at 80 pounds. They do have dual dual electric fans. Let's see what else. We got a oil catch can. I do still have the stock air conditioning. It still works perfectly, but I do not have my heater working. That's out. Let's see, what else can I remember? Just giving you all the angles of the engine bay. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask me. I'll try to answer them best as I can. Then, I don't know if you're going to be able to see it. The intercooler's down there. No, you can't really see it on the camera. So, what's different about this truck is I have the turbo. It's mid-mounted, so it sits about right here. So if I ever get pulled over, I live in California, so they have a lot of strict laws here. I have a better chance of getting off because it does look semi-stock. And I could just tell them that that's my air intake. But for the most part, it looks pretty stock in here. That was one of my goals, is to keep it stock looking. All right. So for the turbo, it's a GT45. It's pretty much the eBay turbo. Let's see if we could get underneath the truck to look at it. See, it sits right there. Has a custom oil sump pan in there. Boost gauge, or boost controller, sorry. Electric cutout. So it's really nice because if I want it quiet, stock sounding. Then when I bought the truck, it came with these tires and rims. Nothing too special, but it's better than stock, that's for sure. I upgraded the tail lights. Has like a smoke film to it. Then with the mirrors, I painted them black, and also did the front grille. I painted them black. Then also got the smoke film headlights and running daylights. Look pretty good. Then for the antenna, I got a 50 cal bullet carbon fiber. It actually works pretty good. I'm actually surprised with that. Back up a bit so you could get a better look of the truck. And keep in mind, this was a budget-friendly build. I didn't get too crazy. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, I have a 4L80 transmission. And the inside, besides the gauges, it's pretty much stock looking. Let's get in here. For the gauges, I have my AFR, my boost gauge, and my transmission gauge. But besides that, looks pretty stock. Oh yeah, forgot about this little guy. That's my two-step gate activator, so switch. So if I'm on take off from the line, switch that bad boy on, and this truck launches pretty hard. Yeah, so and I'll do a quick startup real quick for you guys. Give a couple revs. I'll put it by cut out. Yeah, so that was just a couple quick revs. Hope you guys enjoyed that. I will be making more videos, more in-depth videos of this truck. Yeah, I love this thing. This truck's a lot of fun. So, alright guys, hang tight. More videos will be coming. Peace out.